Welcome back. Today we have something truly special to discuss. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the 1929 King George V shilling coin. Now why is this coin so significant? Well, apart from its striking design and fine craftsmanship, this coin carries a piece of history with it. It was minted during the reign of King George V, one of the longest-serving British monarchs. King George V ruled from 1910 until his passing in 1936. He was a beloved king and his reign witnessed many significant events, including World War I and the Great Depression. Now, let's talk about the value of this particular coin. The value of any coin depends on several factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. The 1929 King George V shilling coin is considered quite rare, which makes it highly sought after by collectors worldwide. Its unique design, featuring a portrait of King George V on the obverse and a crowned shield on the reverse, adds to its appeal. Now when it comes to determining the value of such a coin, one way to gauge its worth is by looking at auction records. In fact, a similar 1929 King George V shilling coin recently went up for auction at a prestigious heritage auction. Let's take a look at the results. At the heritage auction, the 1929 King George V shilling coin fetched an impressive price. The winning bid reached $50,000, highlighting the desirability and value placed on this particular coin. However, it's important to remember that prices can vary depending on the condition and other factors. So, if you happen to stumble upon a 1929 King George V shilling coin in your collection, it's definitely worth taking a closer look. Its historical significance, rarity, and demand among collectors make it a prized possession. That's all for today's video. Folks, I hope you enjoyed exploring the value and heritage of the 1929 King George V shilling coin with me. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing coin stories.